Okay, so let me begin with a small activity. Does everyone present in this room know the 13 times table? Don't worry, this is not a math test. If that's too difficult, let's go with 12. Now pinch your nose and while breathing through your mouth, recite the 12 times table in your head. Start. Stop. How did you guys feel? Irritated? Uncomfortable? Waiting for it to end? This 30 seconds felt like an eternity to you? Now imagine eating, sleeping, playing, studying, almost living life like this 24/7. Yes, this is what I have to go through 24/7 due to my nose block. It started off with my parents thinking that it's due to cold and it will go away soon. Then when it did, they thought this was an allergy. I was somewhere around 5 when we got to know this is a severe case of dust allergy compounded due to a crooked nasal bone, and this is going to be there forever. I was really salty about the whole thing and kept complaining non-stop. But soon, I realized that complaining won't do anything, and the only person that can do something about this is me. Once I started accepting this and the block, as you can see, whether I'm on the beach, or eating out, on vacation, or in family functions, slowly but surely, I realized that I was more accepting of this and calmer. While my age mates were getting frustrated by situations, I, on the other hand, was a bomb in those same situations. You've seen how it works. When I made you guys pinch your nose, you were getting frustrated. But since I've dealt with this so many times, I started ignoring my nose block, which in turn helps me ignore frustration, which in turn helps us in angry situations. My average day starts and ends with a minimum of around 200 sneezes and a runny nose. But don't worry, this is not infectious or contagious in any way. But the best part is, only I know this. So when I sneeze in public places, people around me quickly move aside to avoid catching the non-existent cold. This really helps in a crowded BTS situation and while commuting to and fro from school. I always have my personal space of 2 meters like a shield around Wakanda. No one can dare enter that zone. Who else can boast of such luxury? Another thing I realized last year was that my nose block gives me a raspy voice. While I was reading something out loud and in a very fast pace, my father told me that I sounded like a rat and my nasal voice was giving a nice tone to it. That's when I realized that my raspy voice lends itself in a good way to a rap. I tried to whistle monster tune and voila! AJ the rapper was born. The last but not least good part about my nose block is that you get more blessings than anybody else who doesn't have a nose block. Wanna know how? Any guesses? Well, when I sneeze, somebody or the other around me says God bless you. This way, I've collected more blessings than anybody else around me. Does this already make you feel that you want a blocked nose? Just kidding. So many people in this world have different health issues, whether it's as small as a nose block or worse like diabetes, migraine, nut allergy. Everybody has been dealt with different cards in this game of life. It's how you deal with those cards. That's what truly matters. At the end of the day, it's all about 2 simple steps which has helped me. I experimented this with my mom and helped her too. So I'm sure it can help many. First step is acceptance. I accepted this nose block as a part of me and my daily life. Not in a sad way, just being normal about it rather than sulky or getting frustrated. Now, the second step becomes intriguing, and that is finding positives and good things around it. I have already shared with you all the good things I found around my nose block, but here I have a small story to share. So my mom has these days where she goes through terrible stomach pain. When I asked her, she said it's been this way since she was 15. When I asked her to find 1 or 2 good things that happened during this time, she couldn't think of any. But when I insisted her to month after month, she realized that she had a more glowing complexion, which resulted to lesser makeup and better selfies. So just with 2 simple steps, the acceptance and finding positives, changed the way me and my mom look at our health issues. And I'm confident that you guys have already started looking for positives around yours. Who knew that a single nose block can give you such a big moral in life? And that is why I tell my mom that this handkerchief should be in the Hall of Fame and not in this pocket of mine. And now, I want to leave you guys with this. My name is AJ and I'm too sweet. Hey my friends, come on, drop me a beat. I was up here and you heard me talk. Told stories about the nose block. Some found it amusing, some more vague. It taught me patience, get my problems away. Many physical problems that make you stop. Think about it like the nose block. Don't get angry that you got no chance. Find ways around in life. It's easy like a dance. Don't get frustrated that your mood will go south. Shh. It's simple, folks. Can't use your nose? Then breathe through your mouth. Thank you.